Benedetta, and I am an Education Program Manager for Learning Undefeated, a nonprofit organization that brings life-changing STEM experiences to students across the country. And today what we're going to learn about is Newton's third law. Newton's third law says, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And there's a really easy way to demonstrate this at home. All you'll need, some Scotch tape, a balloon, some string, and a straw. And we're going to create a balloon rocket. The first step you have to do is get a piece of string and tie it to a chair. So you want to tie it to the chair so it's really taut. You want to make sure that it's really straight and it doesn't hang down. The second thing you're going to do is take a straw and put the string in the middle of the straw. So that way it can move freely. Then take the other end of the string and tie it to another chair. Okay, here's the steps. You're going to take some Scotch tape and put it in the front of your balloon, of your straw. And you're going to want to use 2 pieces to keep it nice and secure. And you are going to blow up your balloon and hold the end so the air doesn't come out. And tape the balloon to your straw. I'm going to have my assistant, Anthony, hold the balloon, and we're going to do a countdown. So hold the balloon, Anthony. There you go. From 3, and he's going to let it go on 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off. So what happened is as the air came out of the balloon, it pushed in this direction, which caused the rocket to move in the opposite direction. So just like Newton's third law says, all forces have an equal and opposite reaction. Air goes this way, the balloon goes the other way. So just like Newton's third law says, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So that's how rockets work. As the fuel from a rocket pushes down, the rocket pushes up into the air. So as you're at home, make your own straw balloon rockets and see if you can see a difference between how much air that you put in the balloon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try this at home. Bye.